Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Appa has some Fuzhuk strips, the beancurd strips with me. This is actually dry but rehydrated. So I would like to cook one of my very favorite dish, which is the braised Fuzhuk strip with some potato. So I have some potato here cut into small cutlets. We will actually fry it first later to give it enhanced flavor. And just remember, every time after you cut the potato, you should actually put it inside, soak it under the water, because it can oxidize very easily. Then I happen to have some sliced shiitake mushroom with me, so I'm going to use it as well. A bit of 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, chopped ginger, and chopped shallot. About 1 teaspoon of 5-spice powder later. A bit of oyster sauce, Shao Hsing wine, and light soya sauce. Right, let's start with pan frying our potato to give it some extra flavor. I put in some oil inside. So I'm going to pan fry the potato until it actually char the surface of the potato. Then only we will carry on. This process may take a couple of minutes, so we will come back shortly. This is after about 4-5 minutes pan frying. You can see we have charred the potato a bit, which is good enough. You don't have to cook it, yeah? It will give you some really nice flavor. Now we can actually start by putting in the shallot, ginger, and garlic. You can also put in the shiitake mushroom if you happen to have some. Actually, Chinese New Year, everyone will have the shiitake mushroom at home. Let me give it a bit more oil. Let's saute this for a while. Super fragrant right now. We can actually get ready some hot water. Try to stand by some hot water besides, yeah. We are going to make the braised the broth, yeah. Scrape out the bottom. We can put in a little bit more water. If you don't have a water dispenser, then you just use normal temperature, room temperature water, no problem. Then we can put in the potato, the Fuzhuk beancurd strips, 1 teaspoon of 5-spice powder. I use tablespoon, so it's about half teaspoon of 1 tablespoon, right? And we are going to give it some light soya sauce, about 2 tablespoons. Oyster sauce, about 1 to 2 tablespoons as well. You can also use chicken stock, that's even better. Some Shao Hsing wine. If you don't take alcohol, just omit this part. Very fragrant. Very simple, isn't it, so far? Right, so it is now boiling. What we are going to do next, also very simple. I'm trying to find the lid. Let's cover this with a lid, tune down to medium-low heat and let it simmer for about 20 minutes. Why 20 minutes? I know my Fuzhuk need about 20 minutes. I know my potato will need about 20 minutes. So sometimes it depending on your ingredient. Yeah. So we will come back 20 minutes later. So it has been simmering under medium-low heat for the past 20 minutes. It has also reduced. The broth actually becoming a little bit starchy because of the potato. Right, it's basically done. I just want to have a taste, and we can still adjust to taste using salt and sugar later. Yep, I will just give it a little bit of salt and a little bit of sugar. Done. Oh, I can give it a few dashes of white pepper as well. Right, now I can dish it out. Right, a very simple but very flavorful dish. This is a Fuzhuk and potato stew. So if you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.